Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of t to the power of 3 equals square root of 2 to the power of 3. So let's solve for the values of t that satisfy this equation. So now, if you consider square root of a, this is the same as writing a power 1 over 2. So square root of t power 3 is the same as writing t power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. And this will be 2 power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now, if you have a power x to the power of y, this equals a power y to the power of x. So let's switch these powers. We have 2 power 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 2 power 1 over 2 to the power of 3. Now, don't forget that a power 1 over 2 is the same as square root of a. So t power 1 over 2 is the same as square root of t, and this is raised to the power of 3 equals this is square root of 2, and this is raised to the power of 3. Let's move this over here. So we are simply going to have square root of t to the power of 3 minus square root of 2 to the power of 3 equals 0. So there's power 3 here, there's power 3 here. And we are going to expand this, so you have a power 3 minus b power 3. This equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And in this case, my a is root t and my b is root 2. So what we are going to do will be to use that in order to expand this. So we have root t minus root 2 times root t squared plus root t times root 2 plus root 2 squared, and this equals 0. So right now we are going to have square root of t minus root 2 times this will give us t plus this is square root of 2t plus this is 2, and this equals 0. So let's go ahead and equate each of these to 0. We have square root of t minus square root of 2 equals 0. We have t plus square root of 2t plus 2 equals 0. So let's solve these two individual equations. So what you are going to do is to move this over here. Square root of t equals square root of 2. This eliminates this. We have t equals 2. That's my t1. To solve this one here, I need to move these 2 and the t across this equality sign. So we'll be left with square root of 2t equals negative 2 minus t. So taking the squares output out of this equation, this eliminates this, of 2t equals negative 2 minus t times negative 2 minus t. So 2t equals negative 2 times negative 2, that is 4. Negative 2 times this, plus 2t this time this, plus 2t this time this, plus t squared. So from here, you have 2t equals 4 plus 4t plus t squared. Moving this over here, I have 0 equals 4 plus 4t plus t squared minus 2t. So from here we have 0 equals 4 plus 2t plus t squared. So let's rearrange this. That means we have t squared plus 2t plus 4 equals 0. So let's solve this using the formula method because it's not factorizable. So you write the formula with respect to t, negative p plus or minus square root of p squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. And from here we have a equals 1, which is the equation of t squared. B equals 2, which is the equation of t. And c equals 4, which is the constant here. So from here we have t equals negative p plus or minus square root of p squared minus 4 times 1 times 4 divided by 2 times 1. So from here we have t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 16 divided by 2. And this equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 12 divided by 2. So from here, have t equals negative 2 plus or minus, there's minus here, square root of negative 1 times square root of 12 divided by 2. T negative 2 plus or minus, this is I times square root of 12, this is 4 times 3 divided by 2. So from here you have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4 times square root of 3 divided by 2. From here t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4 2 times root 3 divided by 2. So from here, this eliminate this, t equals negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So we have two complex values for t. We have t2 equals negative 1 plus I times root 3. We have t3 equals negative 1 minus I times root 3. These are the two complex values for t. We have one real value for t, which is this particular one here, which is 2. So if you decide to verify, it's obvious that it is correct because you have square root of t power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3 and t is 2. That means you have square root of 2 power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3. And 2 power 3 is 8. We have square root of 8 equals square root of 8. So that is it. And don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.